I'm Manju Fernando. I came from Sri Lanka and currently I'm studying in UCD in the Zero Defect Manufacturing for Circular Economy under the EIT Manufacturing Master School. And for my second year, I'm willing to go to Aalto University, Finland. Before coming here, I used to work in the manufacturing sector for about 8 years as a supply chain manager. So I'm quite used to the term called lean thinking. But after coming over here, now I'm learning how to do the circular thinking. So it's another extended version of lean thinking, because lean thinking is mostly about the wastage reduction, and in the circular thinking, it takes one more step forward to make it more valuable. So that's the best skill I could gain through the summer school. When I look at the production flow, I could see how many wastages are there and how many wastages can be turned into circular economy and make it more sustainable. So that is something we can do, but we never did. So I feel like this EIT Manufacturing Summer School gives good insights for me to see those wastages again in a different eye and turn them into a lot of money and to make them more sustainable, thinking about our future also. There was a guest lecture on on an app that has been developed to reconnect with most of the recyclers. Looking at that, I could see how many opportunities we have even in our country, because we can simply adopt that technique to do something better in my country also. So that is one of the most beautiful thing I saw in those guest lectures. EIT Manufacturing Summer School provided a great platform to work as a team, because that's the exact thing when we have to do when we are in the corporate world. When we are required to do a kind of industrial project, always we have to deal with different kind of people, different types of ideas, different insights and all. So even this project we have been given during this EIT Manufacturing Summer School is a kind of it's a kind of small project, but still we have to work a lot with the people. It's not easy because people come up with different ideas, they put different ideas on the table, so we have to collaborate with each other. So teamwork is a must in the corporate world, and it's a great experience to have it inside this in EIT Manufacturing Master School Summer School also. In this EIT Manufacturing Summer School, we have been asked to work on a project given by a company, a real world challenge. So that is the best thing I think I can take from this EIT Manufacturing Summer School, because it allows us to think differently about the unknown problem. So it allows us to focus on different areas with different thoughts, different insights. So we have to use different tools that has been taught inside this summer school by the professors and the lecturers and all, and even they have different insights on the project. So then we should know how to filter out those things and how to merge all these ideas into one single direction. So that is the most important thing I see inside this EIT Manufacturing Summer School. I recommend EIT Manufacturing Summer School because even there are 50 students inside the room, the ideas they bring into the table are brilliant. So even some ideas you may not be able to use today, but if you can memorize them, you might be able to use them in some other application. So it's all about connecting the dots and connecting the dots in between people and the ideas. So that's why I'm gonna recommend this EIT Manufacturing Summer School for anybody who is interested in this area.